Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about sealing surfaces. We get questioned all the time if wet blasting or vapor honing is going to damage the sealing surface. It's going to remove material and cause issues with your cylinder heads or other items sealing. The answer is no. Because the water cushions the abrasive against the surface, it's going to give you a beautiful finish. It's not going to remove material. However, what it will not do is remove gasket. So you may want to use a gasket scraper in order to remove, but stay tuned. We're going to show you what this is going to look like. You see before, we're going to show you the after. We've used glass bead in order to clean up these sealing surfaces. As you can see, this is very smooth. It's not damaged anything. It's not going to remove material. However, the gasket is still there, so you're definitely going to have to scrape that off. If you can get under an edge, sometimes you may be able to pry it up just a little bit with the process, but it's not going to remove it totally. Let us know what questions you have. We're here to help anytime. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.